Right. This is the last part of first A group elements chemical properties, and here eighth property, that is nature of carbonates. Nature of carbonates. Nature of carbonate. In this, what is the general formula of alkali metals carbonates? What is the general formula of these carbonates? Means the general formula of alkali metals carbonate is M2CO3. This is the general formula, M2CO3. So here, moving down the group, stability is what happens. The stability of these carbonates of metals, alkali metals carbonate stability, moving down the group, what happens? So for example, in M2CO2, here cation is having large size. Okay, here moving down the group, metal ion size also increases top to bottom. Here anion anion size also increases. So moving down the group, in top to bottom, large size of anion, then anion size also increases, metal size also increases. Then definitely top to bottom, what happens? The stability of M2CO3 is increases, isn't it? So the order is lithium carbonate is having less stable than sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate having less stable than potassium carbonate having less stable than rubidium carbonate is having less stable than cesium carbonate. This is the order, isn't it? So it means here we need to discuss about M2CO3, that is metal carbonate. In this metal carbonate, yes, this metal carbonate, we need to know about this some simple properties, like these metal carbonates are colorless crystalline solids. Colorless crystalline solids, and these are having generally basic nature. These are having generally basic nature, and these are less soluble in water also, less soluble in water. And actually these M2CO3, these M2CO3 metal metal carbonate, this M2CO3 is hmm, yes actually these are do not undergo decomposition, do not undergo decomposition. But here exception is lithium. Lithium carbonate, I am talking about lithium carbonate. Lithium carbonate undergoes lithium carbonate undergoes here decomposition. How it is undergoes decomposition means lithium carbonate, like on heating, what happens on heating? Lithium carbonate form as a lithium oxide and as well as carbon dioxide. It liberates carbon dioxide. So except lithium carbonate, remaining carbonates doesn't decomposes. Okay, here lithium carbonate is decomposes. How it is decomposes means it forms lithium oxide and as well as it liberates carbon dioxide. Okay, um, and here mm, yes, this lithium carbonate undergoes decomposition only because of due to diagonal relationship with the magnesium. This is the main reason. Due to diagonal relationship with magnesium, lithium undergoes this decomposition. Okay, and after decomposition we got lithium oxide and carbon dioxide. We know that in this when compared with car lithium carbonate and as well as lithium oxide. Okay, here reactant and after decomposition it is a product. So when compared with between these two, lithium carbonate and lithium oxide, which one is the stable? I am asking about the stability. Which one is the stable? So of course here lithium oxide is the stable. Why lithium oxide is stable means, I'm saying lithium oxide is stable because when compared with lithium carbonate and lithium oxide, the lattice energy, when we are discussing about stability, just we need to know about lattice energy. So here which one's lattice energy is more? When compared with lithium carbonate lattice energy, lithium oxide lattice energy is more. Then of course lithium oxide is stable. So what I am saying here, lithium carbonate lattice energy is less than lithium oxide's lattice energy, isn't it? So if the compound which is consist of more lattice energy, that one is the stable. So lithium oxide is stable. Okay, actually decomposition takes place, we know that, but what is the phenomena behind that? Let us I will explain that. Due to small size of cation, due to small size of lithium cation, actually we know that lithium consists of small size. What happens actually if it is consist of small size? It is having high polarizing, it is having high polarizing power, isn't it? Then so lithium cation is polarizes carbonate ion, definitely. So what happens here, lithium plus is polarizes carbonate ion. Then what happens? Hence here C double bond O strength is definitely decreases. Okay, and simultaneously what happens? Lithium oxygen bond strength is increases, isn't it? Lithium and oxygen bond strength is increases. As a result, what happens? Lithium oxide and carbon dioxide will form. So in Li2CO3 lithium carbonate, two lithiums is attacking with OCO minus O minus here, due to the high polarizing power here. What happening here? Lithium polarizing carbonate ion, then C double bond of strength is decreases. So simultaneously lithium oxide bond strength is increasing. As a result, it will form Li2O and CO2. It liberates CO2. This phenomena takes place in this carbonates, isn't it? So our next topic is after this, nature of bicarbonates and